If you're looking for an easy homemade waffle recipe that comes out soft, very tasty, and perfect for breakfast, or you can use it as snacks for your kids, then you are in the right place. Come with me, guys. Let me show you how. Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm making waffles for my kids. They said they want to take waffles to school today, so a few ingredients we are going to be using. Of course, we have egg. This is sugar. This is milk. I forgot to buy um, liquid milk, so I'm going to dissolve this powdered milk and use it. It's totally fine. It's flour, and this is baking powder. We have this is melted butter. So at first we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together. Sugar, very sweet for them because most times when I make it, they don't usually eat a little bit of baking powder. You can see a pinch of salt. Mix everything together. So after mixing this, you set it aside. So the next, so I used 3.5 spoons. So you mix this thoroughly. To this bowl, I'm going to break 2 eggs. Go ahead and beat this egg, okay? So I think it's okay now. So the next thing I'll do is to start adding up my liquid ingredients. Melted butter. I added 1.5. One of this spoon is like 3 tablespoons. Okay, now I want it to be very, very fluffy and soft. I don't want it hard. A drop of this banana flavor. I should have used vanilla essence, but I don't have, so I have to make 2 of the one I have. So you go ahead and mix. You see, I didn't like the consistency, so I'll go ahead and add more of the milk. Cheese dried and washing that shoe. You see, so there's no need of over mixing it. Once you get your desired consistency. Right now we are going straight to the waffle maker machine. This is our waffle maker. So we are going straight here. Off the freezer, sorry. So you cover it and allow it to cook. So are you seeing that? It's fully cooked both front and back. So quick one. Once the waffle starts to cook, you'll begin to notice smoke coming out from there. Once the smoke stops, you can check on it. It's almost done. All right. So guys, as you can see, the smoke has stopped coming out. So if I'm going to open it now, and you will see that it's done. That's how I know when it's done, because some people do not know when it's done cooking. So did you see that? It's done. So I'll go ahead and remove it now. It's properly cooked now. You see? Because of the oil I add to it, just flips on its own. I seen it. Let's go ahead and mix the another batch like I told you. This is the melted butter. As you can see, because the weather is cold this morning, it's raining, the melted butter is beginning to solidify again. Could you believe that there is water in butter? I did not add any water to it. You saw when I melted it. Do you see that it has water in it? Does it mean this is not the original one, or this is how it is? Let me know in the comment section. The egg here, the milk, melted butter. So I'll go ahead and mix. Mm. Consistent. Are you seeing how the guys, can you see how the day is breaking? This is 6:25, and it's giving this sign already. I guess today is going to be very, very hot. Yeah. In case you want to make this for your kids, my only advice would be you wake up early, especially if you're making it in the morning. I spent 2 hours doing this. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.